Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in global sentiment, with a score of plus 0.03 and a momentum of plus 0.26. This uptick is particularly striking against the historical baseline, suggesting a shift in collective attitudes that could influence your decision-making. With 19 semantic clusters identified, you can drill down into specific themes driving this sentiment. Imagine integrating this sentiment data into your trading algorithm to adjust positions based on real-time emotional shifts. By leveraging our API, you'll receive a comprehensive analysis of sentiment trends that can enhance your predictive models. Ready to dive deeper? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.